Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram to Google Drive in a super easy way. Instagram doesn't have a built-in send to Drive button, so yeah, we're going to use a safe automation method that lets your photos, reels, or even stories automatically back up to Google Drive. Let's walk through it step by step. All right, first thing, open Zapier. Zapier is a simple automation tool that bridges Instagram and Google Drive together. If you don't have an account yet, just create one with your email. It takes like a minute. Next, in the search bar, type in Instagram. Make sure you select the version called Instagram for Business because regular accounts don't work with automation. If your Instagram is personal, you can switch to a business profile in your IG settings. It's free. Now you're going to search for Google Drive the same way. Just type Google Drive and select the main option that appears. This tells Zapier where to send your Instagram files. Next step, choose your Instagram trigger. A trigger is basically what starts the automation, so you can pick something like new photo posted, new story, or new reel. Whatever you choose is what's going to be saved to Google Drive automatically. Now we set the drive action. Select Upload File, meaning whenever you post something on Instagram, Zapier will upload it into a folder you choose inside Google Drive. Pretty smooth. All right, now connect the accounts. You'll authenticate Instagram first, then authenticate Google Drive. Just follow the pop-up prompts. It's straightforward. If Zapier asks for permissions, accept them. Yeah, they're required for automation, almost done. Zapier will ask you to run a test. This sends a sample Instagram file to Google Drive to confirm everything works. If the test succeeds, you're good. If not, just double check the folder path and your Instagram permissions. And that's it. Your Instagram is now connected to Google Drive. Every new post you share will automatically back up so you never lose your content again. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching.